Hey everyone, I'm Erica from the blog Buttered Side Up, and today I'm going to show you how to make my sourdough tortillas. Now, it may seem like it's a lot of work to make your own tortillas, but the taste is well worth the effort. Plus, this recipe only requires 5 ingredients, and the dough is a dream to work with. Alright, let me show you how to make them. 8 to 12 hours before you want to fry your tortillas, mix together the dough. In the bowl of a stand mixer, place the water, sourdough starter, all-purpose flour. I like to use organic all-purpose flour. Salt. I like to use unrefined sea salt. And melted butter. I like to use grass-fed butter, but you do you. Using the dough hook, knead the dough on medium-low speed until it's nice and smooth, about 5 minutes. Transfer the dough to a greased glass bowl, turning once to grease the top of the dough. Cover and allow to ferment at room temperature for 8 to 12 hours. The dough should puff up. Turn the dough out onto your counter. And divide it into 12 equal pieces. You can do 16 pieces if you want smaller tortillas. Roll the dough out until it's about 1/8 inch thick. I don't find it necessary to grease my work surface, but you could do that if your tortillas stick to yours, or you could lightly flour it. Cook the tortillas in a preheated cast iron skillet set over medium-high heat. You only need to cook them for about 30 to 60 seconds per side, or until they turn dark brown on the bottom. Don't overcook the tortillas, otherwise they won't be pliable. Stack them up on a plate as they finish cooking. So that's how to make my sourdough tortillas. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more recipe videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.